Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS. So this lecture will contain all these topics. What is Amazon SNS? High level overview. Features and capabilities of Amazon SNS. Fan out to Amazon SQS queues. Fan out to Firehose delivery streams. Fan out to Lambda functions. Fan out to HTTPS endpoints. Event sources. Destinations. Amazon SNS workflow. Message ordering and deduplication, Amazon SNS message filtering, message data protection in Amazon SNS, and Amazon SNS dead letter queues, DLQs. So what is Amazon SNS? Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, enables applications, microservices, and servers to communicate with each other and with users asynchronously. SNS uses the publish subscribe model, allowing publishers to send messages simultaneously to subscribers like AWS Lambda, SQS, HTTPS, email, SMS, and mobile push notifications. This versatility supports various use cases from system alerts to user notifications and process automation. Standard topics provide high throughput, best effort ordering, and at least once delivery. FIFO topics ensure messages are delivered exactly once and in the order they were sent. There are two types of messages, one is standard and one is FIFO, first in first out. Messages are stored securely across multiple AZs. SNS supports retry policies, dead letter queues, and features like message archiving and analytics for insights. Subscribers can filter messages based on attributes, ensuring they only receive relevant information, optimizing processing and reducing unnecessary data transfer. By enabling communication between loosely coupled systems, SNS helps build scalable and resilient distributed architectures. SNS can automatically scale to handle high volumes of messages and a large number of subscribers without manual intervention, providing detailed logs for tracking and troubleshooting. So this is the high level overview. So we have on the left hand side publishers, then SNS, and from the SNS it can go to application, which is for automation, application to application subscribers, and under this, so we are doing application to application. Under this falls SQS, Lambda, HTTPS, and Kinesis Data Firehose. But Kinesis Data Firehose can then in turn send those to S3, Amazon Redshift, Amazon OpenSearch, or service providers like Datadog, New Relic, MongoDB, and Splunk. So this is application to application. Then application to person, we have directly we can send to mobile text like an SMS, then mobile push notification or email. So features and capabilities of SNS. Amazon SNS supports application to application messaging with subscribers such as Amazon Data Firehose delivery streams, Lambda functions, Amazon SQS queues, and HTTPS endpoints, and AWS Event Fork pipelines. Amazon SNS enables application to person notifications to subscribers like mobile applications, mobile phone numbers, and email addresses, providing user notifications. FIFO topics ensure strict message ordering, define message groups, and prevent message duplication. Standard topics are used when message delivery order and possible duplication are not critical. All supported delivery protocols can subscribe to a standard topic. Amazon SNS uses multiple strategies for message durability, including storing published messages across geographically separated servers and data centers, running a delivery retry policy for unavailable endpoints, and creating dead letter queues to preserve undelivered messages. Messages can be archived by subscribing Firehose delivery streams to SNS topics, sending notifications to analytics endpoints like Amazon S3 buckets and Amazon Redshift tables. FIFO topics support in-place message archiving and replay, allowing topic owners to store and retrieve messages. Message attributes allow providing any arbitrary metadata about the message in Amazon SNS. By default, each subscriber receives every message published to the topic. Subscriber can assign a filtered policy to the topic subscription and define the filter policy scope, which can be message attributes or message body, to enable payload based or attribute based filtering. Server-side encryption protects the contents of the messages stored in Amazon SNS topics using encryption keys provided by AWS KMS, Key Management Service, ensuring data security at rest. So this is the very common architectural pattern, fan out to Amazon SQS queue. So we have publishers, we have SNS topic. So instead of just sending it to one SQS queue, we have multiple SQS queue we can fan out. So that is why the name is fan out. And the fan out scenario is when a message published to an SNS topic is replicated and published to multiple endpoints such as Firehose delivery streams, Amazon SQS queue, HTTPS endpoints and Lambda functions. This allows for parallel asynchronous processing. For example, you can develop an application that publishes a message to SNS topic whenever an order is placed for a product. Then SQS queues that are subscribed to the SNS topic receive identical notifications for the new order. And Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud EC2 server instances attached to one of the SQS queues can handle the processing or fulfillment of the order. So different queues will have different use cases, and you can attach another Amazon EC2 instance to a data warehouse for analysis of all orders received. So if you have just one, like for example, without fan out, you will have to process everything, and you have to make some logic, so that this will be like a lower response time. But let's say you have multiple use cases, you have an order, then you can send here. So this will, let's say, do some EC2 processing, or because here also you can have filtering. So it can filter like I want to receive this kind of messages. I want to receive this kind of messages, and based on the workload type or the use case, this will have that specific logic here. Or you can send it to both the queues, and this can filter based on some business logic. So this will make like flexible architecture. So one of the very common use cases are, for example, images. So let's say somebody uploads an image, and you have to resize that image into multiple, like thumbnail or some 4K or lesser resolution. So based on that, you can have multiple queues which are very specific. So let's say you have millions of messages coming, or millions of images coming. So in that scenarios, you can have multiple queue for that specific conversion of resolution type. So same, this can be done with other systems as well as. So this is for Firehose delivery stream. So you can again do a fan out, and you can do the same for Lambda. So depending on your use case, so sometimes you will use Firehose delivery system, sometimes you use Lambda for serverless application processing logic, or you can send it to your any custom HTTPS endpoint as well. And that, for example, can be a business application, a REST endpoint. You just send it, and that will take care of how based on the business logic that will process the message. Okay, these are all the event sources, and this is currently as of this recording, it's 62 plus more, but they keep adding. So it pretty much supports all the AWS services for any kind of notification, and it's pretty obvious because notification SNS is the main AWS service for all kind of notification. So almost any AWS service will have some kind of integration with SNS. And the destinations are Kinesis Data Firehose, Lambda, Simple Queue Service, HTTPS endpoint, SMS, email, mobile push notification, chatbot, and also PagerDuty. So this is a typical SNS workflow. First, step 1, you create a topic. Step 2, you create a subscription to the topic. Step 3, publish a message to the topic. And finally, if you want to delete the subscription and the topic. But this is just on the producer side or the publisher side. So you just create a subscription and a topic, and subscribers will just subscribe to the topic to receive those messages, and all subscribers will receive the message at least once. So next is topic is message ordering and deduplication. This applies only to FIFO topics, first in first out. So FIFO, first in first out topics ensure that messages are delivered to subscribers in the exact order they were sent by the publisher. FIFO topics guarantee that each message is delivered to subscribers exactly once, eliminating the possibility of duplicate messages. To prevent message duplication, each message sent to a FIFO topic must have a unique message key that is used for deduplication. FIFO topics are supported on a per region basis, meaning that message ordering and deduplication are guaranteed within a specific AWS region. If a message delivery to a subscriber fails, Amazon SNS will retry the delivery based on the retry policy configured for the FIFO topic. Using FIFO topic incurs an additional cost compared to standard topics due to the added benefits of ordering and deduplication. Messages sent to a FIFO topic can be assigned to a different message groups using a configurable message group ID, allowing for parallel processing while maintaining order within each group. Next one is Amazon SNS message filtering. Message filtering allows SNS subscribers to receive only a subset of messages published to a topic based on a specific criteria. Subscriber can define filter policies that determine which messages they receive based on the message attributes or content. Filter policies can be applied to either the message attributes or the message body, depending on the subscription filter policy scope. Multiple conditions can be combined using AND/OR logic to create more complex filtering criteria. Messages can be filtered based on the presence or absence of specific keys in the message attributes. Numeric values in message attributes can be used to filter messages using comparison operators like equal to, greater than, or less than. String values in message attributes can be used to filter messages using operators like exact match, prefix match, or substring match. Next feature is message data protection in Amazon SNS. Amazon SNS encrypts messages at rest using AWS Key Management Service KMS keys, providing an additional layer of security for stored messages. Messages are encrypted in transit between Amazon SNS and its subscribers using HTTPS, ensuring secure communication over the network. Amazon SNS applies server-side encryption to messages stored in the service, protecting them from unauthorized access. AWS Private Link can be used to establish private connectivity between Amazon SNS and subscribers within a virtual private cloud VPC, thus further enhancing security. Amazon SNS does not apply additional encryption to messages in transit beyond the encryption provided by HTTPS. Encrypted messages are stored in Amazon SNS until they are successfully delivered to subscribers or manually deleted by the user. Once a message is successfully delivered to all subscribers, it is automatically deleted from Amazon SNS storage. Next feature is Amazon SNS dead letter queues, DLQs. Dead letter queues in Amazon SNS are designed to handle messages that fail to be delivered to subscribers after multiple retries. DLQs are configured on a per subscription basis, which allows you to specify a separate DLQ for each subscriber to a topic. Amazon SNS supports using an Amazon SQS queue as a dead letter queue for undeliverable messages, providing a reliable storage option. By sending undeliverable messages to a DLQ, you can analyze and troubleshoot delivery failures, helping identify and resolve issues. Messages sent to a DLQ are retained based on the retention settings of the Amazon SQS queues, allowing you to control how long messages are kept. So we are going from SNS to SQS. If a dead letter queue is not configured for a subscription and message delivery fails, the undeliverable messages are discarded. Messages sent to a dead letter queue are encrypted using Amazon SQS server-side encryption SSE for added security. And that's all. Thanks for watching.